So, good morning again everyone. I am Joprex Francisco from EA1B. So, we will tackle about power rule and we will use its formula to use an example problem. So, let's start. So, power rule. So, ano nga ba ang formula ng power rule? So, ang formula ng power rule is d over dx is x raised to n is equals to n of x raised to n minus 1. So, ito po yung formula ng power rule. So, ang ating may example problem is x is raised to 5. Yan ang ating example problem. So, substitute natin siya sa ating formula. So, d over dx is x raised to 5 is equals to, substitute na rin siya. So, differentiate natin yung x raised to 5 is equals to 5x. Then, yung n natin is yung 5. So, nilagay natin siya dito sa, copy natin siya, minus 1. So, bring down natin sila para makuha natin yung final answer. So, copy the 5x and 5 minus 1 is equals to 4. So, this is our final answer.